Hello and welcome to Josh's Garage. Today we're going to fill a pothole in the blacktop. So this is a technique you could use to fill a pothole or a large crack bigger than an inch or two. And you just need a few things. You need some driveway asphalt pothole patch. This is a product by Henry. I'll put the link in the description below. And anything to spread it out and something to clean the area with, a board, and a truck. So here we have a hole that's indented about 1 inch. This is the jack of our motorhome. Last year we got home from a trip in 95-degree weather and I decided to put the jacks down on our blacktop and it just sunk right in. So we've got this spot to fill. I want to fill it because if it fills with water, the water's going to sit here and seep and eventually this will become a messy pothole. So this is the stuff to do it. So first step, you just clean any debris out of the hole. Make sure it's nice and clean and dry. And the next step is to take this driveway patch. Now this stuff, I've used some of it in other spots already, but this stuff, if you have a big hole, you would just dump it out. I'm gonna just loosen it up. And it's mixed with the adhesive already in it, and you kind of pour it out. The instructions say to 1.5 inches above your surface, but I'll tell you from experience, if you do that, it's gonna be a little bit too raised. And I don't want a bump in the driveway. I'd rather it to be flat or even slightly indented. Actually, I'm afraid that might be a little too much. You can always add more. It's hard to take it off once you compress it. So I'm gonna start with less and maybe add more if we need it. What do you think? I don't know, that's maybe 3/4 of an inch above. Let's try it. So to compress it, I'm going to use this board, like so, set it on here, and then I'm gonna drive over it with the truck. You gotta make sure you have the right music.
Well, I'm a steamroller, babe. I'm bound to roll all over you. Yes, I'm a steamroller now, babe. I'm bound to roll all over you. I'm gonna inject your soul with some sweet rock and roll and shoot you full of rhythm and blues.
Drum roll, please. Voila! So now this is compacted. The sun's gonna help it drop just a little bit more and cure over the next few days. And then I'm gonna come around and put some self-leveling asphalt sealant right around the edge of this just to kind of make it clean and make sure the go-kart doesn't stick to it as it rolls past. But that's it, pretty simple. Thanks for watching Josh's Garage. I hope this was helpful. If so, please subscribe and don't be afraid to ring that notification bell so you can see the next crazy thing I'm up to.